Hello dear students, so from today we are going to start the chapter first of class 11th mathematics, that is sets. Okay, so before defining the sets, let me ask you these two questions. Question number first is name the teams of IPL 2020, and question number second, name your favorite teams. Okay, now in first case all of you would be giving the same answer like Mumbai Indians, Daredevils, RCB, Rajasthan Royals. So means all of you would be giving the same answer because they are the fixed teams in IPL 2020. Okay, but if I ask you name your favorite teams, I think it would vary from person to person. Like I might be giving the name of some differently, like Mumbai Indians and RCB, and some other would be giving the name of some other teams. Okay, so here I'm not having a well defined collection here, but in this case I am having a well defined collection because they are the fixed teams. All of you would be giving the same answer, but in this case I am not having a well defined collection here. I might be giving some different answer, you might be giving some different answer. It would vary from person to person because there is not a fixed criteria for defining the favorite team. There is not a fixed criteria, but teams are there fixed there for the IPL 2020. Okay, but so where you have a well defined collection, so here you have a collection of the fixed teams like MI, you have MI, you have RCB, okay, etc etc. So here you have a fixed well defined collection here. So where there you have a well defined collection, you call it as a set. So this collection would be termed as a set. This is a set, and this one collection would not be termed as a set, rather it is simply a collection of the favorite teams. Okay, because it would vary from person to person. Okay, so now we have the definition for the set. So what is a set? A set is a well defined collection of all the objects. Okay, a set is a well defined and you can say well distinguished collection of the objects. Okay, a well defined and well distinguished collection of the objects is termed as a set. Okay, this is the definition of the set. And one more thing you have to remember, we always denote the set by the capital letter. A set is always denoted by the capital letter like capital A, capital B, capital C, capital N. Means always the sets are denoted by the capital letter, and the elements of the set, like these are the elements, these are the elements, these are, let's say this is the set A, and the elements, these are the elements, different elements are there. So the elements always would be written with small letter, and the elements of a set are written by the small alphabets or the small letters. Okay, this you have to remember. The sets are always denoted by the capital letter and their elements are always denoted by the small letter. And remember, we always keep the elements of a set inside the curly bracket. That you always have to remember. You always keep keep the elements of a set inside the curly bracket. Like here, I have kept all the set of all the teams for IPL 2020 inside the curly bracket. So because it's a set here. Okay, so remember this. Okay, yeah. So all the elements of a set are kept inside a curly bracket. Are you getting this? Okay, now let me write the definition of the sets that you would write in your notebook. So this is the definition of the set. A well-defined and well-distinguished collection of objects is called a set. Okay. In general, we represent the sets with capital letters and the elements with small letters. And all the elements of a set will be written inside this curly bracket. Not the small one, nor the square bracket. Neither this nor this. Only inside the curly bracket. All the elements would be written there inside. Okay. So this is the definition of the set. Now we would study the list of some known sets. Okay. Now we have a list of some known sets. Okay. We have some known sets, like we have a set that is represented or denoted by the capital letter N. Okay. So what does this imply? This implies the set of the natural numbers. So N implies the set of natural number. What are the natural numbers? You might be knowing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So all these are the natural numbers. So all the natural numbers would be denoted by the set n. Are you getting this? Yes. The collection of all the natural numbers is a set, and it is denoted by the letter capital N. Now suppose we have a set of all the integers, the collection of all the integers, and it is again a set, and it is denoted by capital I, or sometime it is again denoted by the capital Z also. So it is the set of integers. The set of integers. Integers means positive and negative one, like -1, -2, -3, etc. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So these are the integers. So set of integers is denoted by capital I or Z. That you have to know. Then we have the next set, that is R. So this is the set of what? This is the set of real numbers. Set of real numbers means all the rational and the irrational number. They together they called as a real number. Okay. Then we have the set of complex numbers. C stands for complex number. Set of complex numbers. Then we have the next set, that is Q. Yes, this Q stands for set of rational numbers. Rational number you might be knowing, can be written in the form of P by Q. Rational numbers. Then we have the next set, that is denoted by W. So W, this set is denoted by for the whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. Okay. So these are some known sets which you should know. Okay. Just write this also. Then I am going to erase this all. Now we would study about some symbols which are used there in sets. Okay. So first one is this. This is the symbol for belongs to. This is the symbol of belongs to. And sometime we can write it like this also. So this is the symbol of does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Okay. Now suppose if I write here 2. So 2 is a natural number. So you would write 2 belongs to the set of natural number, and natural numbers are denoted by n. So you would write 2 belongs to the set of natural numbers. But if I write -2, so -2 is not a natural number. So -2 does not belongs to the set of natural number. -2 does not belongs to the set of natural number. Rather, -2 belongs to the set of integers. Yes, I, or you can write here Z also. So -2 belongs to the set of integers. Okay. So these are some symbols which you should know. Okay. Now we would discuss how to represent the set. So the next topic is the representation of sets. Representation of sets. So right here now, representation of sets. So the sets can be represented in two ways. Okay. So first one and the second one. We can represent the set in two ways. So first one is known as the roster form. You can represent the set in roster form, or you can represent the sets in set builder form. Set builder. This is somewhat easy, and this is the general form. Okay. Yeah. So we have the two way to represent a set. A set can be represented in two ways. First one is the roster form. Second one is the set builder form. Let's say I'm writing a set here. Let's say it is the set of some natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All these are natural numbers. So it's a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a set of some natural number. Okay. So this is the roster form. Now if I want to write this in set builder form, so how would I write this? I would write it like this. Here in this set we have the elements x. We have the elements x such that, this is the symbol for such that. Okay. Here in this set we have the elements x such that x belongs to, all these are natural number. Yeah, such that x belongs to natural number. But this is not the complete information. Something more you have to write. Where. Okay. Here in this set we have the elements x such that x belongs to natural number where the x is what? This x is less than equal to 5. Are you getting this? Where the x is less than equal to 5 means x can be 5 also and less than 5 also. All the elements, all the natural number which are less than 5 or equal to 5 is the given set here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So here all the elements are less than 5 or equals to 5. Okay, so this can be written in this way also. So this is the roster form and this is the set builder form. So this is somewhat the general way, general form, and this is the easy one. Are you getting this? Yeah. So a set can be represented in two ways, roster form and the set builder form. Hope you are getting this. Okay, are you getting this? Okay, now in the next video we would discuss some question related to the roster and the set builder form. Okay, now we would discuss the remaining topics in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.